scary. Not scary to not play anything. It's always scary. I'm gonna play a song that's new and also not on the record. Oh. But it's about like weather and stuff. And like the rain. And you know, sometimes like the weatherman like be getting shit wrong. You know? When it's like not supposed to rain and then it does. It's like when you're supposed to have a really good day and this song's kind of about that. Man in a button up on channel 6 in front of his curtain screen. It's going on about Gregory. High of 72 and the daisies will bloom right in front. Ain't that a funny thing? Weatherman's wrong, it's coming down strong. She's gone, it's clear as day. Baby blue skies, but in my eyes it's 100% chance of rain. What in the forecast she left for New York last week? No left on the and it's dry on the blacktop, but inside it ain't stopped for hours. It's my own April shower. Weatherman's gone, it's coming down strong. She's gone, and that's clear as day. Baby blue skies, but in my eyes it's 100% chance of rain. Don't clean out the gutters. Don't come with lightning. Don't come with thunder. When the storm will pass and here comes another. She's gone, and that's clear as day. Baby blue skies, but in my eyes it's 100% chance of rain. Sunny outside, but in my eyes it's 100% chance of rain.